In today's quick LearnWorlds tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up their affiliate management system so you can start tracking and growing your affiliate network efficiently. If you're looking to earn passive income or expand your reach by partnering with affiliates, this is a crucial step in getting started. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing some alternatives that might even serve your needs better. So, let's dive into setting up LearnWorlds affiliate management. First off, when you log into your LearnWorlds account, head straight to the Affiliate section found in your main dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in, you'll see options to configure your affiliate program. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your affiliate program settings. In the settings, you'll find key areas like commission structure, where you decide how much you want to pay your affiliates. You can offer a flat fee, a percentage, or a custom model, which gives you a lot of flexibility. The next thing you need to configure is the cookie duration. This defines how long after a click an affiliate can earn a commission on a sale. A longer cookie duration can help your affiliates get credit for sales they refer within a longer window. Next, you'll want to set up your affiliate registration page. This is where your potential affiliates will sign up. You can customize this page to reflect your branding and message. Make sure to add clear instructions on how your affiliates can earn commissions and what kind of marketing materials they'll get access to once they're approved. After that, go ahead and create affiliate marketing campaigns. This is important if you want to track specific promotions or products. For example, you can run a campaign for a new course launch or a special seasonal promotion. You'll set each campaign's own commission structure, so you can offer different rates depending on the product or promotion. The fourth thing you should do is approve or reject affiliates. When an affiliate signs up, you'll need to review their application. This is an important step to ensure that your affiliates are a good fit for your brand and that they're promoting your products in the way you want. Once you've got that all set up, make sure to track your affiliates' performance. LearnWorlds offers detailed reports on affiliate sales and commission payouts. You can view which affiliates are performing the best and track things like conversions, clicks, and commissions. This will help you adjust your affiliate strategy if needed and maximize the growth of your affiliate program. Now that we've covered the basic setup, I'll let you know that LearnWorlds does offer a decent affiliate management system, but there are some drawbacks. For example, the interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and some users have found the tracking features aren't as intuitive as they'd like. Additionally, LearnWorlds can be a bit expensive if you're just starting out or if you're on a tight budget. So, while it's great for large businesses and course creators, smaller creators might find it a bit of an overkill. At this point, you might be wondering if there are better options out there. And the answer is yes, there are some solid alternatives that could be better suited for different business models and budgets. I'm going to mention these alternatives in a minute, but before that, I want to remind you that you can get an exclusive extended free trial of LearnWorlds through the link in the description below. Not only that, but I've also got some amazing alternatives lined up that offer similar features with some added benefits. And yes, they also offer free trials. So, if you're looking for a more user-friendly option or a platform that might offer better tracking, consider checking out these alternatives. You'll get access to the best deals and trials only available through our link. Make sure you don't miss out, because these solutions could help you grow your affiliate network even faster. Don't forget to check the first link in the description for that free trial. Happy affiliate marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.